What we have here is the Samsung Galaxy A55, a smartphone that you probably already heard of in the last 8 months or so, since it has been praised as a very good mid-ranger even from the get-go. This specific unit is an 8 and 128 gig model, coming in the awesome lilac color. Other memory and storage options include 6128, 6256, 8256, and 12256 gigabytes, while colors can also be ice blue, navy, and lemon. This carton box that fell out from the outer box cover contains the SIM ejection tool, the USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as some documentation. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and is a Super AMOLED capable of going up to 120Hz for its refresh rate. The phone itself is powered by the Exynos 1480, a 4nm 8-core SoC from Samsung. The selfie camera is a 32-megapixel wide shooter, capable of capturing up to 4K 30 frames per second video. On the bottom of the phone is the USB-C port, some microphones, and what I assume to be a speaker grill. On the right, we have the power/lock button and the volume rocker. While at the top, we have the SIM card tray and another microphone. The camera array is composed of 3 lenses, the 50-megapixel main shooter with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide one, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. That's it for this quick unboxing video of the Galaxy A55 smartphone from Samsung. Click the like button if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to show your support. This has been Mo, and thank you for watching.